Today we'll discuss about Java interview question related for programming and theoretical interview questions based on fresher to 5 years of experience. So this one I collected one of the interview questions. So here there are three programs as asked. One is write a program to reverse a string without using a string API. So how you will write a program to reverse a string without using a string API. So the first program asked by the interviewer, and the second program is change order of vowel in a string. So they ask related for a string, change order of vowel. So suppose examples, you are a cool boy, so you need to change the output look like this. So this vowels will start from Y U O, then E A R E R A, and then cool boy, like that. And this third program is related for uh, find the missing alphabet in this string. So we have Q W E R T Y U O P A S T F G H J L N M N L. So missing numbers is I K Z and B. So how we will write a program to find the missing alphabet in the given string. Second question is how change the order of vowel in a string. The first question is how to write a program reverse without a string API. So these three questions, programming questions, as asked by the interviewer, and then technical questions is related for theoretical. This is so the first question is asked, what is the difference between hash map and concurrent hash map? And then the next question is, what is the enhanced in multi-threading in 1.7 version, Java 1.7 version? And then third question is, what is lambda expressions, when to use lambda expressions? And yeah, the next question is, what is deadlock, have you used deadlock, for which scenario you use deadlock? And the next question is what is the work of fork and join class in Java? So mostly we used in the thread concept, we use fork, join and all. So have you used thread implementations of thread class or a runnable interface and all? So if you use the thread concept or thread life cycles and all, so in that maybe they will ask fork and join related things. And the next questions they ask related for SQL. So what is with clause in SQL? So WITH with clause in SQL, what is that, when to use, and have you used before or not? Then the next question they ask related for Spring. So what is IOC container, when to use IOC container? And then the next question they ask related for bean scope. What is bean scope, what are the type of bean scope? So when to use singleton bean scope, prototype bean scope, factory sessions, global sessions and all, request and all. So this type of things they ask related for bean scope. And then the next question is, what all are the interface in Spring implements? So what are the interface Spring has implemented or implements? So they will ask that type of questions. And the next question they asked, what is the difference between path and URL? So that is related for request web services, so request mapping, request controllers and all. So path variables, path, URL and all. So mostly it will come from the REST API or RESTful web services. So what is the difference between @path and @URL? And the next question is, what is a design pattern category? So what all are the categories are there? So we have a gang of 4 design pattern categories. So that they asked. And others is what is factory and singleton design patterns, in which category they fall under? Like we have some design patterns category, right? So that singleton and factory, from which design pattern categories will be followed? So mostly we'll have a 4 type of design patterns, that is called gang of 4. So they are asking from which category is a factory and singleton. And the next question is how to create a factory object in Hibernate. So what are the way to create a factory object in Hibernate, why you are creating that, and when to use, for which project scenario you used for the factory object in Hibernate. So this is related for Hibernate, and the others is related for design patterns. This is related for web services, and then this is related for Spring, and then we this all are related for thread, and then this is related for hash map and collections, and then these all are the related for program. The mostly programs will be asked in the string related array and all. So these things which I have remind, these all are the questions they ask. Others questions I forgot, so if I get it anything I'll let you know.